Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very nice, basically day and a half. You go back to Thursday, late morning, nasty move, and then essentially from that point, it's just been all bulls from that point forward, working its way upwards, which sets up some interesting areas headed into next week. And really the main level that I'm very curious about, and this is not some sort of great discovery, but there's going to be a lot of people watching and wondering the same exact thing, is this right here. The price has technically broken up above that area of resistance right there around, we'll call it 317.50. But the big question going forward is, all right, yeah, it's broken above it, but is this a true break, or is this just going to be one of these head fakes where it gets above it slightly and then just rolls right back over? Now, nobody knows, but it's a more than rational question to have. It's a very valid question, and there's going to be a lot of trade plans that are going to be based around this area, meaning if early next week it looks as though this is just going to continue to break out, well then yeah, there's going to be a lot of long positions put on. But if the price all of a sudden starts to kind of just go sideways here and looks relatively unsure, well then given, the past history, and the past history is, the past couple times it's been up around that area, it's gotten rejected, that doesn't, now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that means for sure guaranteed it's going to do this again, but like I said, from a rationality standpoint, yeah, that's at least a valid thought to be having. So we'll see how things go with 317.50. Like I said, I'm just very curious. I mean, who knows, maybe the price will gap well up above it on Monday, and then it becomes very apparent, okay, yeah, that was a true breakout. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Now, in the event there is any sort of pullback, the one level of support I'm curious about will be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the well-known and famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that, we'll just call it at 315. So if there are any sort of pullbacks, very curious to see if the price can hold up above 315. But yeah, overall, this 317.50 mark, is this the start of a much bigger breakout? Is this just going to get rejected back down early next week? Going to be very, very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.